Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, don't jump on there. Can you count? So what comes after 4? There it is. Can you say your ABCs? Yeah, can you count? What comes after 3? That comes after 3? What do you say with this? Hockey players? Can you say go hockey players? Where is it? Here we go. You say go hockey players. Did you watch a hockey game? Yeah, you have potatoes on your face. What else can you say? Go hockey players. Be nice to Thenie. She's under the table. Yeah, do you love Thenie? Can you say Athena? Athena. What's your name? What's my name? Mama. Where's Dad at? He's at work. Whose house is this? It's Mama's house? Is it Liliana's house too? Dada's house? Where's Thenie's house? There? Did you sleep in your big girl bed last night? Do you like your big girl bed? You want down? Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Say see you soon. Can you blow a kiss?